Let's specify saponification value for KOH on all oils, which will be used on our soaps. Let's proceed to the next steps now. Go to Composition tab. Please continue with the next steps. Specify saponification value for KOH to make correct calculations. Select soap formula type. Specify total oils weight. Now advance to the upcoming steps. Select superfat. Select water ingredient. Select lye ingredient. Please continue with the next steps. Select oils. Specify input percentage. Use calculated water and lye values. Check total values.